Hey friends, welcome to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple contact number from Excel sheet to your Android mobile phone. First of all, make your contact numbers Excel sheet like this. Make two columns in Excel sheet. In the first column, contact person's name. In second column, contact number. Then minimize this contact number sheet. Now go to your Chrome browser in PC. Now log in the Gmail account which is already logged in your mobile phone. I repeat again, log in the Gmail account which is already logged in your mobile phone. See, this Gmail account already logged in my Android phone. Now go to Google Contact. Okay, you can see here Google Contact. Go to Google Contact and click on Create Contact in the left side. See here, click on Create Contact. Okay, and type here any name, any person's name. You can type. Okay, and select your country and type any mobile number. Any mobile number. You can enter any wrong number. Just type any number. Okay, now click on Save. You can see here created a contact number. In the left side, click on Export. Okay, download CSV file. Now open the downloaded CSV file. Okay, now select give a name column and increase the column size. Okay, increase. Now go to contact number sheet. In the contact number sheet, copy all contact name, all contact person's name. From first to last, just copy all contact person's name. I'm selecting. Okay, now go to downloaded CSV file and paste here. Now go back in contact number sheet and copy all contact number. Okay, copy. Now go back in downloaded CSV file. You have to paste this in phone 1 column. Exactly here. Now go to Save As option in left side. Okay, here. Save As. Type file name. You have to remember this file name and file location. You must remember. Okay. Save as CSV. Save. Okay, done. Now go to Google Contact in Chrome browser. Now import the CSV file which is created just few seconds ago. For this, click on Import and select the CSV file I told to you. For remember this file name and location. Okay, select and open. Click on Import. See, wow, my contacts is importing. Now you can see here all contact numbers have been imported. My all contact number imported. This Gmail account must be logged in your Android mobile phone. Must be logged. Okay, now go to your Android mobile phone setting. Go to mobile phone setting. First of all, turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Then go to mobile phone setting and search sync. SYNC. Click on auto sync data. Just click on. Okay, turn on auto sync. Now click on your Gmail account. Now click on sync account. Click on. Now click on sync contacts. After few minutes, go to your phone book. You will see your all contact number imported. Okay friends, to get more tech related videos, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.